Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make German potato salad. It's vinegary, a little bit sweet, served warm or at room temperature. This is a potato salad you can leave outside at a barbecue and not worry about it going bad, like a mayonnaise-based potato salad. The recipe link is right below the video. I'm using yellow potatoes, like Yukon Golds, yellow onion, apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, water or chicken stock or beef stock, whichever liquid you want. I'm just using water, bacon, sugar, salt, and pepper, flat leaf parsley, chives. You can use both flat leaf parsley and chives or just one of them. And prepared mustard. I'm using a whole grain mustard. You could use yellow or brown, whatever you have on hand. Use a vegetable brush like this to scrub your potatoes and wash them. Put them in a pot and cover with water. Add salt and bring this to a boil. Prepare the other ingredients. Dice the onion, I just cut it to fit the pan. Cook until crisp on both sides. You want the bacon nice and crispy. When they're done, drain them on a paper towel-lined plate. Crumble the bacon. Waters come to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium and cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the potatoes are tender. Insert a knife into the potatoes to see if they're cooked. The smaller ones are cooked, I'll take them out. Make sure not to overcook your potatoes because they'll be mushy. I do like my potatoes well done, so I tend to cook them a minute or two longer. For mayo-based salads, it is okay if the potatoes are cooked a little bit more, but for this type of vinegary salad, it's better that the potatoes are not overcooked and hold their shape. Peel them while they're warm. Slice the potatoes. If they're very small, you can slice them into rounds. If they're bigger, half circles, or cut them in half again like this. Remove all but 2 tablespoons of the bacon grease from the pan. Add the onions and saute until golden. Then add water, vinegar, salt, sugar, and ground black pepper. Stir and bring to a boil. Pour this directly over the cut potatoes. Add the bacon, mustard, chopped parsley, and chives. Mix it thoroughly. Taste for salt. I always end up adding more salt to potatoes. They really do need it. This is a well-balanced potato salad. It's tangy, a little sweet, salty, and it's not as heavy as mayonnaise-based salads. I hope you guys give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.